So today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your very dull drill bits. Okay, well firstly let's see how blunt this bit really is. I put it in the drill press here, so let's have a look at it. Switch it on. As you can see, it's really struggling, taking out small clips, not really putting a proper hole in the metal. It's just grabbing onto the metal and it's not making a hole in it. So let's now go and sharpen this and then look at the results afterwards. Okay, so on the bench grinder, the first thing I want to do is on the drill bit point at 30 degrees on the one edge, like so, flat, and 30 degrees on the other edge, flat, like so. And then after we've got those 30-degree angles flat, then we're going to, at a slight angle, also at 30 degrees, put a slant on both sharp edges so that they're not completely flat and they've got a sharp edge to basically grab the metal as it's turning into the metal, like so. So let me quickly make an example of this. Firstly, I'm going to hold it flat and then do the 30 degrees flat on both ends. So at this stage it looks like this, with the 30 degree slant on both ends. It's sort of got a flat end, a flat point like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give it a slant on both edges, so that there's a sharp edge on this side and a sharp edge on that side, so that it can grab into the metal. So on the back side we're just going to slant it on this side and slant it on that side. Also at 30 degrees. So also drilling it on 30 degrees like so, but then lifting it like this. And then on the other end. And then it will have a point like that. So let's now put this back in the drill press and see what it drills like now this time. Okay, so in the drill press this time around, I'm going to drill a hole. I already drilled a test hole for it to see if it works. And now I'm going to drill another one just to show you how sharp this drill bit now really is. So drill on the drill press and then simply. Wow, look at that. I'm not even putting too much pressure and it's easily eating through the metal, taking out the chunks of metal, nice and clean. Clean on the back. Much 10 times sharper than it was a couple of minutes ago. So this is quite an improvement. I'm very happy with it. And this will make life a lot easier. Now I don't have to go and buy new drill bits every time. This makes life 10 times easier. So if you like this idea and you want to support the channel, have a look at the super thanks down below if you wish to make a contribution. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet and you're interested. So until next time, thank you very much.